Now we will solve one more example. Two vectors are given. Write down the example. Two vectors. Vector a bar is equal to 2a bar x plus 2a bar y plus 0 a bar z, means z component is absent, and b bar is equal to काय दिसतंय? हा तुम्ही माझ्या स्क्रीन वरती पिन करा ना. यू गो टू माय नेम. माझ्या नावावरती क्लिक केलं की तुम्हाला पिन करता येईल. पिन करा माझ्या नावावरती. सोनाली बागल, स्टॉप प्रेझेंटिंग प्लीज. बघा सॉर्ट आउट झाला का इश्यू. So b bar is equal to 3a bar x plus 4a bar y minus 2a bar z. Right? So two vectors are given. Find number 1 a bar cross b bar. Number 2, show that a bar cross b bar is perpendicular to a bar. So I think all of you are able to find a bar cross b bar by using definition. So I instruct all the students to solve this for a bar cross b bar. Find this cross product. झालंय? Same example. Okay. Let me check. So what is the value of a bar cross b bar? A bar cross b bar is equal to minus 4 a bar x plus 4 a bar y plus 2 a bar z. Right? हे answer आपल्याला आधीच मिळालेलं आहे. I think we have already solved. But what about this? Show that a bar cross b bar is perpendicular to a bar. हे जर हे दोघं परपेंडिक्युलर आहेत असं जर दाखवायचं असेल तर काय केलं पाहिजे? What we have to show? Yes. So the thing we should remember here is if we take dot product of two vectors and if it results in 0, that means those two vectors are making 90-degree angle with each other, means they are perpendicular to each other. So we have to find the dot product between a bar cross b bar and a bar, and if the answer is 0, then that means those two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So just try to find a bar cross b bar. Consider this as a one vector, because this is one vector, and take a dot product of that with a bar and check whether you are getting it is equal to 0. So this is equal to, so yes, minus 4. आपल्याकडे फॉर्म्युला आहे ax bx प्लस ay by प्लस az bz, राईट. सो तो फॉर्म्युला वापरून आपण काय लिहू शकतो? याचा कोएफिशियंट आहे -4 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय a बारचा एक्स कोएफिशियंट आहे 2 प्लस याचा कोएफिशियंट आहे 4, याचा कोएफिशियंट आहे 4 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय a बारचा y कोएफिशियंट आहे 2 प्लस हा कोएफिशियंट आहे z कोएफिशियंट 2 multiplied by z coefficient of a bar is 0. So we get here -8 plus 8. So answer is 0. Hence A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar, right? This is another example has been asked in university examination. Maybe a half part of this example we have already solved. Still this Bhosle is, why you are late? So shall we move on to the next example? So given we have two vectors again, A bar is equal to 2 A bar x plus 4 A bar y, and B bar is equal to 6 A bar y minus 4 A bar z. So these are the two vectors. Question is, find smaller angle, between them using cross product. So always you keep in mind, if we have two vectors, let's say A bar is in this direction, B bar is in this direction. So smaller angle, why it is said to be a smaller angle? Because we are interested in this angle. This is smaller angle, right? Rather we can also get the answer in finding in this direction, but we are interested in finding smaller angle by using cross product. So you have a definition, use it and try to find the value of theta. What is the answer? What answer you are getting? Okay, can you tell me the answer for mod of A bar? Can anyone tell answer for mod of B bar? By the time I request all the participants, all the students who have not uh, mentioned their roll number and name in the chat box, please do that for once only. Don't do it repeatedly. Write your roll number, division, sorry. First you need to write a division, roll number and name in the chat box. Do it please. So none of, so shall I assume none of you are able to find this answer? Root 20, correct, huh? Next. Root 52, correct. बघा कसं calculate केलं, I'll tell you. You have vector A bar. Vector A bar is equal to 2 A bar x plus 4 A bar y, right? So you are having this vector plus you can write 0 A bar z. Okay. So if you want to find the mod of this, so simply you are taking coefficients in a root. So this is 2 square plus 4 square प्लस 0 स्क्वेअर म्हणजे तुमचा मॉड ऑफ म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड ह्या वेक्टरची मॅग्निट्यूड झाली मॉड ऑफ ए बार. दिस इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 2 स्क्वेअर प्लस 4 स्क्वेअर प्लस 0 स्क्वेअर. So answer of this is under root 20, right? So you can simplify this to 4.47. This is mod of a bar. Next is mod of for finding mod of b bar, we can write b bar is equal to 6 a bar x, sorry 6 a bar y minus 4 a bar z, right? So mod of b bar is equal to under root 0 square, because x coefficient is not there, so 0 square plus 6 square plus 4 square is equal to under root 52, right? So this is equal to 7.21. This is value of b mod of b bar. You are getting this? So why we are finding this? Because we want to use the formula for this cross product, and which is a bar cross b bar is equal to mod of a bar into mod of b bar into sine theta. So I'm not writing direction here. For that case, I can take its modulus, right? So you can ignore the direction since I have written this in mod, right? So we have calculated this. If we calculate this one, we will be able to find the angle theta, right? So next step is to find a bar cross b bar, mod of a bar cross b bar. So to obtain this a bar cross b bar, this is equal to a bar x, a bar y, a bar z. Second row, all components of a bar, that is ax, ay, az. Then next bx, by, bz. See, this is the definition of cross product. Now, so this is a bar x, a bar y, a bar z. A bar x का है, sorry, ax का है 2, ay is 4, az is 0. Then next bx is 0, by is 6, and bz is minus 4. So this is equal to a bar x minus 16 minus 0 minus 16 minus 0 minus a bar y into bracket minus 8 minus 0 plus a bar z 12 minus 0, right? So if you simplify this, you will get the answer a bar cross b bar is equal to minus 16 a bar x plus 8 a bar y plus 12 a bar z, right? You are getting this? Next step is to find the magnitude of this. So to find magnitude, huh? Right. Sorry for that. This is a bar z. So this is a bar cross b bar is equal to under root 16 square plus 8 square plus 12 square, right? Is only magnitude. So if you calculate this, if you are having calci, do you all of you have the calci? In the next lecture, most probably I will ask you to show your calculator on your camera, right? So be ready with the calculator with next lecture. So 256 plus 64 plus 144, right? So if you add this, you will get answer. This is 464. Answer is 21.54. All of you are getting this? Okay. Now we know that we have to use this formula a bar cross b bar, mod of a bar cross b bar is equal to ab sine theta. So if we use this formula, I can write here theta is equal to sine inverse of into bracket mod of a bar cross b bar divided by ab is equal to sine inverse of what is the answer for this mod of a bar cross b bar is 21.54 divided by 4.47 into 7.21, right? So this is theta is equal to sine inverse of 0.8, correct, absolutely correct, and it is equal to absolutely correct 41.94 degrees. Check whether all of you are getting this. सर्वांचं येत आहे, सर्वांचं आन्सर येत आहे हेच. So next is, as I promised, I will take you through some of the basic formulas of derivation and integration, because almost we are at end of the this unit 1, and as I promised, we will discuss. We will just take a recap of some of the mathematical formulae. So let us do that. And one more thing I want to discuss here is, so those some of the students were not there for ATT, right? So some of them will be facing a problem to solve examples based on vectors. So for them, I have one. I will arrange one session on Sunday. So is it okay? So how many such students are there who do not attended ATT? Maybe 10, 15 are there, right? So shall we go for it? Shall we arrange one extra session on Sunday, so that whatever you have missed during ATT, because see, in those ATT lectures, like in first 3 to 4 lectures, Jay Kadde is saying yes, okay. So in that ATT lectures, we have just discussed about some basic definitions of scalar, vector, dot product, cross product, what is coordinate system, what are different types of coordinate systems, right? And then you might have joined directly when we will be discussing about del operator, or let's say coordinate system, right? So that will be just a recap or just a summarization session on Sunday. So at what time shall we set this lecture? Shall we go for that lecture at 1 o'clock? Satyajit Mule is saying yes, sir. So Satyajit is saying yes. So I consider opinion of Satyajit on behalf of all the class. So let us have this session on Sunday at 1 o'clock, right? So hope all of you, and those who have attended ATT, they can also join the session. They are also welcome to attend that session. I will send the link of invitation to everyone, right? Yeah. Now next is, as I said, and I will consider this as the content, because this is not part of our syllabus. No one is going to ask you those formulae. So I should write here content beyond syllabus. This is content beyond syllabus. And before I go for this differentiation formula or integration formula, I will just take you through this formula for right angle triangle, because we have used those formulae somewhere in a deriving relationship between different coordinate systems, such as a cylindrical coordinate system, then spherical and rectangle, right? So formula for right angle triangle. So we will discuss formula for right angle triangle. Uh, in that case, let us consider this triangle. Narsari sir, you want to say something?
No, sir.
Your class is there.
No, sir.
TY A division and TY
No,
B division.
TYB division.
They are also there. You want to
Combined.
give any message?
No, sir.
So let's say this angle is 90 degree, and you're writing all those formulae for theta, which is the angle between those two legs, and for this theta we will have adjacent leg here. This is adjacent leg. So adjacent leg in Marathi what we say, लगतची बाजू. बऱ्याच जणांचं मराठी मीडियम असेल त्यांना लगतची बाजू माहित असेल. ठीक आहे, ही झाली लगतची बाजू. देन वी हॅव हायपोटेन्युअस. हायपोटेन्युअस इज कर्ण. हायपोटेन्युअसला काय म्हणायचं आपण, कर्ण. आणि ही झाली अपोजिट लेग, समोरची बाजू, अपोजिट लेग, right? So for this right angle triangle we have certain formulae such as sine theta, cos theta and tan theta, right? So I'm going to write those three formula right now. Sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Then cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and this tan theta is nothing but opposite leg upon adjacent. So for those who learn this in Marathi medium, for them let me write here opposite म्हणजे कर्ण, बरोबर ना? अपोजिट म्हणजे हा, सॉरी हा, अपोजिट मीन्स समोरील बाजू, सबा असं आपण काहीतरी लिहायचं, मला पण विसरलं आता हे. सबा अपॉन कर्ण, बरोबर ना? ऍडजस्टंट म्हणजे लगतची बाजू, ल बा. आठवत असेल तर बघा, 8वी-9वीत झालेला आहे. हायपोटेन्युअस इज अगेन कर्ण. देन नेक्स्ट अपोजिट इज समोरील बाजू डिवायडेड बाय ऍडजस्टंट इज लगतची बाजू. बघा बरोबर लिहिलंय का मी? समजतंय आपण का, why we have written, why we have taken those formulae in deriving the equations for deriving the relationship between different coordinate systems, right? So these are some basics which we require for so whatever is required for electromagnetic field theory, that I will talk about. Rest of the things means those formulae may be supported by some of the assumptions, but I will not be interested in taking those assumptions, etc., right? So we are requiring those formulae, so I have considered it here, right? So next is formulae for differentiation. Hmm. Differentiation. So if you want to take a note of this, this is these are very important. I'm just writing all the formula which are comes under differentiation and integration now. In that first is, are you able to see this? Half screen is visible. This is not visible to you. Now it is visible. Okay. So we are just recalling differentiation formula. So first one is d by dx of k. कॉन्स्टंट टर्मचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं तर आन्सर काय असतं? नेक्स्ट d by dx into bracket, so f of x is the function, plus minus g of x is another function, is equal to, of course this you can just separate differentiation. So differentiation of f of x is, let's say, f dash of x plus minus g dash of x. So this is what we are just separating the differentiation inside the bracket. Next one is d by dx into bracket k is constant, f of x is equal to, so since k is constant, you can take it out of the differentiation. So k f dash of x, f dash of x is the differentiation of f of x, right? Then next one is d by dx into bracket f of x is the first function, then multiplied by g of x. So differentiation of product, this is equal to, so f of x as it is, g dash of x, g dash of x is the differentiation of g of x, plus g of x as it is multiplied by f dash of x. So hope this is giving you some insight which you have studied in first year, or let's say in a diploma first year, second years. Next is, बघितलेत ना हे फॉर्म्युले आधी तुम्ही? का कुठला फॉर्म्युला नवीन आहे मला सांगा. Next is, for division you can write d by dx into bracket f of x upon g of x is equal to, so this is equal to g of x f dash of x minus f of x as it is into g dash of x divided by g of x bracket square. So this is the formula for derivation. So next one is, let's say, sixth one. D by dx x raised to n. So what is the answer for this derivative? X raised to n. N into x raised to n minus 1. Correct. So this is n into x raised to n minus 1. Next one is d by dx sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x. Correct. Next is derivative of cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to what? Minus sin x. Good. Next, d by dx tan x. Tan x चं काय असतं derivative? Sec square x. बरोबर आहे sec square x सुद्धा बरोबर next is cot x so d by dx cot x what is the derivative of this divide minus cosec square x right so next sec x what is the derivative of sec x sec x tan x next what is the derivative of cosec x cosec x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असणार आहे मायनस cos x cot x correct next derivative of e square x sorry e raised to x correct next is d by dx log of x log of x सांगा पटपट सांगा म्हणजे पटपट पुढे जाऊया next 15 sin inverse x d by dx of sin inverse x bola so we will not require this formula for differentiation but still I will write the answer for this sin only 1 upon under root 1 minus x square right so this is the formula now cos inverse x not required tan inverse x not required cot inverse x not required sec okay d by dx 1 upon x derivative of 1 upon x yes correct minus 1 upon x square so d by dx 1 upon x is equal to minus 1 upon x square next d by dx under root x under root x 1 upon 2 into root x next and last one d by dx of x answer is absolutely correct so these are some of the formulas required for integration now let's move on to the differentiation now let's move on to the integration that first is integration of dx what is the answer answer is x plus c so, c is constant all the time I am not going to write this right so c is usually there with all the answer for integration so I will not write next is integration of x raised to n dx is equal correct x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 next dx by x log of x correct next e raised to x dx e raised to x dx and e raised to x plus c okay next is integration of a raised to x dx this is equal to 1 upon log of a raised to x plus c integration uh, integration of ln, that is log of x dx. Answer of this is x log x minus x. Next is sin x dx. This is required. Sin x dx, answer is minus cos. Next is integration of cos x dx. Answer of this is plus sin x. Correct. Next is tan x dx is equal to minus log of cos x. Next, cot x dx plus log of sin x. Next, sec x dx is equal to ln log of sec x plus tan x, right? So next one is cosec. Integration of cosec x dx is equal to minus log of cosec x plus cot x. Next is sec square x dx is equal to tan x. Next is cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x. Next is sec x tan x. Sec x tan x is equal to sec x, right? So many of such problems are there. Many of such formulas are there, which we can study in mathematics. And so whatever, by the time whatever we require while discussing the syllabus, while discussing the concepts, wherever we require the mathematical background, we will just recall the mathematics, and we will proceed further. Hope this makes a sense, and this is how I wanted to cover the content beyond syllabus, because this is not part of syllabus, but we require those mathematical formulas, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have doubt right now, you can ask me right now. Or if you find some difficulty while solving the examples, you can ask me on WhatsApp, or you can ask me on email. For those students who missed some of the initial lectures, for them I have uh, arranged one session on Sunday 1 p.m. Right? So remember, don't forget to join. And those who have attended, and some of them, if they wish, they can join the session, right? So that will be just a polishing session for them also, right? Now I have one homework. I have some task that you should perform. I'm not giving you the answers, but I hope you take a note of this. You are having uh, so find PQ and unit vector a bar PQ. If, are you able to see this? Is it visible? Is it visible? हा, लिहून घ्या. मग हे 5 पॉइंट्स दिलेले आहेत. म्हणजे तुम्हाला काढायचं काय, तर वेक्टर PQ बार काढायचा आणि त्याचाच युनिट वेक्टर काढायचा आहे त्याच डायरेक्शनला. 5 एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. So quickly take a note of this. Find PQ bar and a bar PQ if in that first P is given. P is into bracket 4 comma 2 comma 6 bracket complete, and Q into bracket -4 -8 and 10 bracket complete. Second, P into bracket 3 comma 1 comma 5 and q into bracket 4 comma 3 comma 2 bracket complete. Next 3 into bracket next third p into bracket 2 comma 3 comma 4 and q into bracket 5 comma 1 comma 3. Next fourth p into bracket 4 comma 5 comma 1 and q into bracket 3 comma 3 comma 2. Next fifth p into bracket 5 comma 1 comma 4 and q into bracket 3 comma 2 comma 3. Take a note of this and start solving this. How much time we have? 5 minutes are there. If you could solve 2 or 3 answers. Screen record. Google Meet.
ह्याच्या गुगल मीटवरती लेक्चर हे जॉईन करताय
हा
आणि नोट्स लिहिताना स्क्रीन रेकॉर्ड ऑन करताय, म्हणजे नोट्स तुम्ही खाली लिहिताय ना.
गुगल मीट वरती कॅमेरा बॅक कॅमेरा ऑन करतो.
कॅमेरा मग ती स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर स्क्रीनचं रेकॉर्डिंग घेते ना, ते चालू करावं लागणार असं तुम्हाला. स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डिंग म्हणते.
हा स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर पण चालू करता येतं किंवा पीसी वरून रेकॉर्डिंग ऑन करतात.
हा मग पीसी वरून दुसरं अकाउंट ओपन करून ते रेकॉर्डिंग ऑन करायचं.
हा किंवा आपल्याच अकाउंट मधून रेकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करायचं. ज्यावेळी रेकॉर्डिंग बंद होईल त्यावेळी आपल्या ड्राईव्ह वरती रेकॉर्डिंग पडते.
ऑप्शन चांगला आहे. गुगल मीटचे 2 अकाउंट ओपन करायचे. एक पीसी वरती समजा रेकॉर्डिंग चालू झालं त्याची लिंक होतं पीपल केल्यानंतर ती लिंक पडायची वर आणि इथं डायरेक्ट फक्त शिकवायचं.
मी थर्ड इयरच्या सगळ्या मुलांची ईमेल आयडी घेतलेत आणि गुगल मीटचं मीटिंग शेड्यूल करतो आणि सगळ्यांना इन्व्हिटेशन पाठवतो. अदरवाईज काय होतंय, सगळ्यांना परमिट करत बसायची गरज पडते.
गुगल मीटला
हा
कसं काय नाही,
मुलांचा डोमेन वेगळा आहे ना, मुलांचा सीओईपी डोमेन आहे, आपला सीओई डोमेन आहे. मग डोमेन वेगळा असला की परमिट करा.
काय केलं, ईमेल आयडी घेतली,
मी सगळ्यांचे ईमेल आयडी घेतले आणि मीटिंग शेड्यूल झाली की सगळ्यांना इन्व्हिटेशन पाठवतोय. मग आता त्यात एक 10-12 केसेस अशा आहेत की त्यांना अजून पण कळालेलंच नाही की मला काय म्हणायचंय. म्हणजे बरेचशा जणांनी वापरतायत गुगल मीट वरती जीमेलचं अकाउंट, मला देत आहेत कॉलेजचं अकाउंट. अशा केस मध्ये त्यांना तसे 10 जणांना अलाउ करावंच लागतंय. तुम्हाला काय पर्याय नाही त्याच्यावरती. बाकीच्यांचं झालंय आता ऑटोमॅटिकली जॉईन होतं.
आता झूम वरती लेक्चर घेतलं
हा
ती रेकॉर्डिंग स्क्रीन रेकॉर्डर होत नाही झूम वरती घेतलं.
So I think all of you have mentioned your roll number in comment box. So shall I take the snapshots? Shall I take the screenshot of that?
केलं का, काय केलं कमेंट मध्ये.
हा अरे 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 तुम्ही डॉट प्रोडक्ट कडे नका जाऊ. तुम्हाला फक्त वेक्टरची डेफिनेशन वापरायचे. 2 पॉइंट्स दिलेत, वेक्टर काढायचं आहे. वेक्टर काढला की युनिट वेक्टर काढायचं आहे. डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्रॉस प्रोडक्टचं नाहीये ते एक्झाम्पल.
एका स्क्रीनशॉट मध्ये सगळं येतात का कमेंट? एका स्क्रीनशॉट मध्ये सुपरांच्या
ठीक आहे. So if you are able to solve, you can solve this. You just have to find the vector and unit vector, right? So otherwise I will give you the answers in the next lecture, right? So we can stop here for today. Hello. You can leave the meeting. In the next lecture, we will start with Unit 2. In the next lecture, we will start with Unit 2. Right. Now you can leave the meeting. You can leave the class now.